So the first thing that we're going to do to create our e-commerce website is we're going to register a domain and get hosting. So your domain is your web address, and mine is nyctechclub.com. So we're going to go get one for your e-commerce website. And then we have to get hosting, which allows you to run your website and store all of your content. So you might be wondering what website I'm on right now. And this is the text tutorial for this video. So you can see right here how to make an e-commerce website with WordPress for beginners 2019. And this has all the steps in this video. So you can print this out, you can follow along, and you can create your website with this text tutorial. But right now I'm typing it up as I create this video, and I want you to come to this link. So again, there will be a link in the video description. Go ahead and click on it. And we want to come down to step number 1 where it says register a domain and hosting. And I want you to click on one of these links to the HostGator website because that's where we're going to go to get our domain and hosting. So I'll just click on this right here. And now you should be on the HostGator website. And before we get started, I do want to note that the link in the text tutorial is an affiliate link. So that means HostGator pays us a commission if you do use our link, and that's no charge to you, but it does help support our channel to make videos just like this. So I want to say thank you in advance. And let's just jump right into what HostGator is. HostGator is where we're going to get our domain and our hosting. And the reason why I'm going to recommend HostGator to you is because I've been using them for pretty much my entire career of creating WordPress websites. And I recommend them to all my viewers and all my clients because they're super fast, really reliable, they're cheap, and they have great customer service. And the great thing about the affiliate link right now is that you can get a free domain for your first year. So you don't have to pay for your domain. So that's pretty awesome. So make sure that you click on that link and you come to this website right here. Okay, so again, I'm going to recommend HostGator to you, but it's up to you if you want to use them or not. But I think they're the best of the best. So what I want you to do once you come to the HostGator website is I want you to click on this link right here that says web hosting. And once you come to this page, if you scroll down, you should see 3 different plans: the Hatchling, Baby, and Business Plan. And the Business Plan is a little too expensive and more than what we need, so we're going to focus on the Hatchling and the Baby Plan. So the Hatchling Plan is if you want to build one website and one website only, all you need is the Hatchling Plan. But if you want to build more than one website and you want to host them on the same account, what you want to do is you want to get the Baby Plan. So for this video tutorial, since we're only building one e-commerce website and we're just going to host that on our account, all I'm going to get is the Hatchling Plan. But it's really up to you. And what you want to do once you're ready is you want to click on one of these buttons that say Buy Now. And once you come to this page, this is where we're going to go to register our account. So let me go through these steps with you just to make sure that we fill everything out correctly. So step number 1 is choosing a domain, and we're going to register a new domain. And remember, we can get a free domain with HostGator if you use this affiliate link. So make sure that you click on that. So what I want you to do is just type in the web address that you want to register. So we'll just type in nycshopstore.com and push enter. And once the search results come back, if you see this check mark right here, then we are good to go. If this looks red, what that means is someone else registered the domain that you want and you need to find another one that is available. So this one is available, so we're just going to check this one. And once you're ready, I want you to come down to the bottom over here. And this is where you can select some services. So if you want to protect your privacy, so you don't want anyone to know your information or who is registering this domain, then what you want to do is you want to check this box to add this domain privacy protection option. But this is an extra cost, and it's up to you if you want to have it or not. I have it on some of my websites, but for my video tutorials, I don't check this. So again, it's up to you. You can always add this back later, but we're going to leave this unchecked just because we don't want that extra cost right now. And once you're ready, let's come down to step number 2. So step number 2 is where you're going to choose your hosting plan. So if you remember, we have a few different plans. We have the Hatchling and the Baby Plan. And the Hatchling Plan is if you want to build one website and one website only, then all you need is the Hatchling Plan. But if you want to build more than one website and you want to host them on the same account, then you want to select the Baby Plan. So we're going to select the Hatchling Plan for this video example because we're only building one website. And then what we can do is go into the billing cycle and select how long we want our hosting for. And you can see we can select 1 month all the way to 36 months. And what I usually recommend for my clients and the viewers is either 6 or 12 months, just to give yourself enough time to know whether or not you want to run a website or not. But it's really up to you. And we do have a coupon code no matter what billing cycle you select that's going to save you about 60 or 65% off. So for this video, I'm just going to select 1 month. And then what I want you to do is I want you to type in a username and a security pin. And you're going to do this yourself. I'm not going to do it with you because I've already created my account. So if you need to, you can pause the video and fill this out. And then once you're ready, come down to step number 3. And step number 3 is where you're going to enter your billing information. And again, I'm not going to do this with you because I've already created my account. But if you need to, pause the video, fill everything out. And then once you're ready, come down to step number 4. And step number 4 is adding additional services. And by default, HostGator adds some of these for you. And these are just extra costs and services that we don't really need. So what I want you to do is uncheck all of these boxes right here. So you're going to get the SSL certificate for free, and this is going to secure your website, and I'll show you how to install this once we install WordPress. So we're going to get this one, but we don't need these other ones. So I can show you how to create your own email address using your domain for free. I'll link you to a video, and you can also use backup plugins to back up your website for free also. So again, just make sure that all of these boxes are unchecked, and then once you're ready, let's come down to step number 5. And step number 5 is probably the most important step in this video tutorial because this is where you can enter a coupon code. And by default, HostGator puts in a coupon code for you, and you can see that you get a small little discount right here. But what I want you to do is delete this coupon code and type in NYCTech30 and then click validate. And what you're going to notice is that the discount actually increases to about 60 or 65% off. And that's because NYCTech30 is one of the highest coupon codes available with HostGator, and it is an affiliate coupon code. So again, we do get a commission from HostGator if you do use this. No fee to you, but thank you very much if you do use it. And you're also going to save a bunch of money. So make sure that you type in NYCTech30 and click validate, and you'll see your discount increase. And then once you're ready, just come down to the bottom, check the box that says you have read and agreed to the terms. And once you're ready, click on the Checkout Now button. And once you register your account with HostGator, you should be brought to this page right here. And if you want, just click on this button that says View Your Dashboard, and we're going to move on to the next step. If you don't see this page, you can always go to your email inbox, and you should have this email from HostGator titled Your Account Info, and you should have some links over here. And what you want to do is click on the one that says Your Control Panel, and it'll bring you to the right page so that we can install WordPress. So go ahead and click on this, or if you're on the HostGator page, click on View Your Dashboard, and we'll move on to the next step.